At Winton Machine, we understand that no two production lines are the same. That's why our CNC CTL23 tube automation system is designed to your specs and modeled to fit your exact requirements. Choose from a variety of payoffs to suit your operation. Then experience the difference of precision tube feeding that ensures accuracy at every step. Our system chamfers both ends simultaneously, saving you time and eliminating unnecessary handling. With programmable chamfering lube and a programmable air blast for chip removal, you'll keep your process efficient, clean, and consistent. Plus, batch programming driven by your ERP system integrates seamlessly into your workflow, while servo head and length adjustment via ERP control gives you precision and flexibility right from the start. Enjoy part-to-part repeatability with quick change tooling that keeps your line moving. Our PC interface for batch programming makes it easy to program, whether you're running single jobs or large volume production. And with the ability to eliminate secondary operations or even add tube end forming, the CTL23 does not just cut tube, it transforms your entire process. This is the ultimate tube fabrication system for industries like HVAC, refrigeration, automotive, lighting, lawn and garden, and aerospace. Want to find out what we can do for you? Call 1-888-321-1499 today or subscribe for more tube fabrication solutions. Got questions? Leave us a comment below. If you want to see more American-made tube fabrication videos, watch one of these additional videos.